Here, Piku, drink some of this warm milk. It will make you feel better.
Thank you, Chicku. I appreciate you taking care of me.
Here's some warm broth, Piku. It will make you feel better.
I hope so, Chicku. I feel terrible.
I'm here for you, always.
Don't worry, Piku. It's just a dream. The rain and snow can't get us here.
We're safe and warm, Chicku. I'll make sure of it.
I had a terrible dream, Piku. It was so scary.
Oh, Chicku, what happened? Was there a monster in your dream?
I am glad that we can walk together.
Me too, but I hope...
Excuse me, coming through.
It's still raining outside, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Welcome to class today, students.
I see Chicku and his little friend have braved the winter weather to join us.
What a pair!
Good morning, class. Today we will learn about the wonders of winter and the importance of friendship.